Today on Bobby Learns, I am going to be opening a new piece of hardware, and hopefully I will be able to get into OBS and do a replay. So I think probably I'll put it in the title so you'll already know what this is. Right, it's an Elgato Stream Deck. So this is used to facilitate streamers so they can press a single button, and so this could be switching to another scene. In my case, I want to do a replay and also switch between scenes, and it could be a sound effect or bring up an image, start a certain app, all of that stuff. This is completely programmable. You'll also get to see where I got to with my transition from yesterday. I continued working on it, and I think that I will make this transition a little bit shorter. It's a little bit long for me right now. But let's just switch right on over to the main camera. The main streaming deck. So these are going to have images on them. Little booklet. And the quick start guide. Plugging it in without even opening the quick start guide. Just see what happens. All right, well, cool. It just flashed for a bit. Right, pressing the buttons does nothing right now. All right. Alright, so today's 2-liter takedown is Diet Ginger Ale. So, if you've got your own drink, feel free to take a sip with me. So you see that that is actually a pretty high resolution for such a small button. Like, give you an idea, there's my finger right next to it. So, and it's incredibly bright. Oh, I am out of time. All right. So I am going to let's see what we've got. All right. So I am going to do one more scene via button to instant replay scene. And we're going to be messing around on here for a few seconds, and then, okay, I want to go to my instant replay. That is not a recent replay. That is an old replay. Huh. Okay, okay. So when I press, that is an old replay. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to do the double duty to switch my scene and start the newest instant replay. So right now my newest instant replay is via a keyboard shortcut, and to switch my scene is on here. But when I switch my scene, it plays the last replay that I played. So until next time. It is 9:23. That is going to be the longest 2-liter takedown I've had during the series. That is almost 3 hours for this one.